Hello children and welcome to today's online class. So we have been learning a new chapter. Chapter's name is Trigonometrical Identities and Tables. So in this chapter we need to prove left hand expression with right hand expression. That is, we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. So I have a question here. So let us discuss this question, children. So on my left hand side I have sin theta plus cos theta multiplying with tan theta plus cot theta, and is equal to, on the right hand side we have sec theta plus cosec theta. So let us try to prove LHS equal to RHS. So my solution begins. So I will write first left hand side LHS, and my LHS is sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. So this is up to here, it is my LHS. So now children, as I have told you in my previous class that in this chapter the technique will be like this. The technique is, if it is sin theta and cos theta in the question, nothing to change, nothing to do, but anything else that is like not sin theta and cos theta but something else like tan theta and cot theta. So these trigonometrical identities will try to make it either sin or cos, and tan can become sin and cos, cot also can become sin and cos. So I am going to tell you the formula. So keep the first one same, sin theta plus cos theta, and here tan theta you write as sin theta by cos theta plus, and cot theta you write the formula as cos theta by sin theta. Okay, this is the formula. I have written this formula. You can check in the formula list number 16 and 17. This formula you will find, formula of tan and cot. Now write the first one same, sin theta plus cos theta, and here you do LCM to add it, because fractional number we can add by doing LCM. So my LCM will be both cos theta, sin theta, both of them will be my LCM. And here what will happen, when I cover cos theta, sin theta will remain and it will multiply with sin theta, and my result will be sin square theta plus, now next cover sin theta, then who will remain, cos theta will multiply with cos theta, and my result will be cos square theta. So children, very easy now, sin square theta plus cos square theta, formula number 1, this is equal to 1. You just check it, it is equal to 1. So that I will write. So same thing here, sin theta plus cos theta multiplying with 1 by cos theta sin theta. I can change and write also sin theta cos theta or cos theta sin theta, meaning is same. Now equal to, now you can multiply the upper part with upper number, the lower part with lower number, but here sin theta plus cos theta will multiply with 1 and it will be same, that is sin theta plus cos theta, and by lower part will multiply with lower part nothing is there, that means there is 1, so it will be also same, cos theta sin theta. Now children, now we have nothing to do here, but it should match with right hand side, but still it is not matching. So now you have to use some other ideas beyond your trigonometrical formula. Beginning we started with trigonometrical formula, but now you should have some creative knowledge here. You should use some algebraic formula here, and my algebraic formula here will be, the very creative formula will be, what you do, you separate this plus symbol in two parts. Write this plus here and separate it into two parts. So plus will be in the middle and you separate it into two parts. So this, in first part you write only sin theta, and in the second part you write only cos theta, but the lower part will go in both the places because it is LCM, so it should go in both the places, sin theta cos theta, or cos theta sin theta, here also cos theta sin theta, because if you do LCM same thing will come. That means what we have done, the result which we get after LCM, here what we did not do LCM, but we broke the part into two expressions. So now lower part will go in both the places, but the upper part will go in two different places. Now by writing this, what happened now, sin theta got cancelled, and here cos theta got cancelled. Now upper part there will be 1, here also 1. So our answer will be now here 1 by, so what is remaining here, 1 by cos theta, here will be 1 by cos theta plus, and here my result will be 1 by sin theta, 1 by sin theta. So this is very technical part. We did not use trigonometrical formula, but we used algebraic formula, but in a very technical way. And the technique was, the number which we had got after LCM, we broke that expression into two parts, where the lower number went in both the places, but the upper number got divided into two parts. So 1 by cos theta, reciprocal formula children, 1 by cos theta is actually sec theta. You can check this formula. And 1 by sin theta is actually cosec theta. Now you can check the answer which I got from the left hand expression is matching with right hand expression. Now I can say left hand side is proved is equal to right hand side, it is proved. But first of all, what you write, RHS is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. So it is matching with this, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it is proved. So children, very technical question. I hope you understood. Thank you children.